Happy birthday, Ate Ella. Wish you all the best and more birthday to come. Take care always. I miss you. I love you. Kita-kits soon.
Happy birthday, Ella. Wishing you all the best of everything. Happiness, good health, and sana maatim mo pa yung mga dreams mo in life with TCHE. I love you, Ella. Kahit hindi tayo nagkikita palagi, but still, I'm your dear Ate Des. Love you. Happy birthday, baby.
Birthday, Ate Ella!
Tingin dito eh.
Birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Ate Ella.
Happy birthday, Bella!
Happy birthday, Nila. Happy birthday, Nila.
Happy birthday, Ninang! Happy birthday, Bella! Happy birthday, Ate Ella! Na! Na!
Nila, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ninang! Love you! Ma!
Hi Ella, happy birthday. I am wishing you continued success in life, more blessings, and of course, good health. Enjoy your day. Deserve mo lahat ng mga magagandang bagay na dumarating sa buhay mo. And may all your dreams and plans continue to come true. Have an amazing birthday, Ella.
Happy birthday, Ella. Wishing you a wonderful year ahead filled with joy, happiness, good health, and success. Enjoy your special day.
2, 3.
Happy birthday, Tita Ella.
Hi Carmela, happy birthday sa pinakamasipag at bentador kong ahente. I hope na sana matupad mo lahat ng wish mo at sana i-bless kayo ni Lagi, ni Lord, kayo ni Ichi, at sana ay maging successful ka pa sa iyong pagbibenta. God bless, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Carmela. More blessings to come. And then, nandito lang ako palagi para maging kupal sa buhay mo. Eme! Bye-bye! 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Ella!
Hi Ella, happy birthday sa'yo. Wish you all the best in life. Yun lang, mwah.
Hi Ella, happy birthday. And I wish you all the best. Alam mo yan, at sana makahanap na tayo ng the best job for us. Kasi we've been together for years now and we've seen each other grow. So let's just wait and see what life has for us. Yun na, happy birthday, Ella. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Ella.
Happy birthday Ella. May the Lord God bless you always. Take care. Love you.
Happy birthday sa Freddy kong kaldong-kaldo sa buhay. Pautang naman, ano kayo lang. Happy birthday, enjoy your day.
Hi, Ella. Happy birthday.
Hello ate, busing! Kumusta ang buhay-buhay? Happy birthday sa'yo. Magpakabuhay ka at magpakarami ka.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday ate ko. More birthdays to come, more money. Mabuhay kang gusto mo.
Happiest birthday, Ate Ella. Enjoy your day and more birthdays to come. Stay fresh, stay kind, stay healthy all the time you eat. And happy birthday, Ate Ella. Enjoy your day and make happy on your birthday. Bye! birthday Ate Ella.
Happy birthday, mahal kong pinsan. Carmela Francisco Marin. Wish ko maging malusog ka, healthy. Lagi ka mag-iingat sa trabaho mo. Huwag ka puro trabaho. Libang-libang di pag may time. Alagaan mo din ang iyong family. Nandito lang kami para sa iyo. Kailangan mo ng kainuman, andito lang kami. Kailangan namin mangutang, andyan ka lang. Happy birthday, Lai. Basta, mahal ka namin. I love you.
Happy birthday po. Alam mo na, sa office, yung ibabalot. Joke lang. Bye-bye, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Carmela. I hope you have a great day. Enjoy your birthday. And I wish for a prosperous life and healthier life. And I hope maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. And see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Carmela Francisco Marin. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is sana magka-baby ka na, gaya ng sinasabi mo sa amin. Para housewife ka na lang at hindi ka na maobligang pumasok kasi may mga couple dyan sa paligid mo. Pero, ayun lang. Sana maging happy ka. Hindi lang sa birthday mo. Hindi sa buong buhay mo. In good health always. Nandito lang kami lagi for you. Pupuntahan kita lagi pag lunch mo. And mahal ka namin. We're going to support you always and always. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Love you.
Birthday. 1, 2,
Sino ba si Tita Ganda?
4, 5, 6.
Sino?
S, I,
Si Ninang?
6. Emma.
Emma.
Happy birthday, Ate Carmela. Wishing you all the best in life.
Hi Ella, happy birthday. More birthday to come. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yo, happy birthday sa'yo, Ella. Wish ko sa'yo. Wish Khalifa. Bomba na.
Happy birthday, Tita Ella. Happy birthday, Tita Ella.
Hi Ella! Happy birthday! Sana masaya ka ngayong birthday mo at sana matupad mo yung dreams mo with Benjo. God bless!
Hi Ella! Happy birthday sa'yo! Surprise! Hindi. Ella, happy birthday sa'yo. Masaya ako sa short time na naging seatmate tayo, naging katsikahan kita. Marami ako nalaman tungkol sa'yo, ganun ka din sa akin. Sayang lang, hindi na tayo seatmates. I miss those times na na nag-random chikahan lang tayo, ganyan, para hindi makatulog. Ganon. Na-wish ko sa'yo sana long life and good health pa. And more chika pa, namimiss ko yung pagbaba-grade mo sa pouch ko. Pouch raid, kumbaga. Ayan, si Ella kasi yung tipo ng tao na kung hindi mo kikilalanin yung siya mismo, hindi mo malalaman yung totoo. Kasi alam mo naman sa work field natin, maraming chismis and everything. Ayun, masaya ako na nalaman ko yung ikaw, nakilala ko yung ikaw mismo, no, hindi galing sa story ng ibang tao. And more chikahan to come, and good health again, and happy life para sa'yo. Ka lang absent day ha, yung sabi ko sa'yo. Ayan lang, chikahan tayo ulit next time, and yun lang, mahal kita, and thank you sa friendship. Bye-bye! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Ella. Ano ba? Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Alagaan mo si TCH palagi. Ingat. Peace.
Happy birthday, Mami La! Happy birthday talaga!
Happy birthday, Ate Ella. More birthdays to come. Stay healthy. Oh, go. Happy birthday ikaw kay Tita Ella. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita Ella. Bye-bye. We love you, Ate Ella. Happy birthday. Mwah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Mama. Happy birthday, Tita Ella.
Oh wow! Gorillas communicate with over 20 different sounds.
And they say,
They can lift 10 times over their weight. Gorillas.
Hi Ella, happy birthday naman sa'yo. Magbuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. And thank you for being my friend for almost 12 years now. I love you so much.
Hi Ella, just wanted to greet you a happy birthday. Wishing you good health and just wanted to thank you for being such a good friend. Hope to see you soon. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, be. Bayan, kakagising ko lang kaya naka-filter muna. Pero ayun, happy birthday. Sana lahat ng wish mo matupad. Tsaka, always good health. Thank you sa friendship. And thank you nakilala ka ni Ate Mai. Love you.
Happy birthday, Carms! I love you so much. Mahal kita. Kayo ni Tito, ni Tita, ni Benju. Thank you so much for everything. Ang wish ko ngayong birthday mo ay sana magka-baby ka na.
Ano? Good morning.
Good
morning, Ella.
At Tita Ella.
Happy birthday. God bless. Hi. Happy birthday lang. Happy birthday, Carmela. Hindi ko na kailangan magdrama. Alam mo na yan. You know the rest. I love you. Happy birthday, like.
Ayan. Hi, Ella. Happy birthday. Masasabi ko lang sa'yo, wala. Wala akong maisip kung hindi. Happy lang ako for you kasi sobrang blessed mo sa asawa mo, sa nanay at tatay mo na sobrang mahal na mahal ka. Yun lang. Sobrang happy lang ako sa'yo. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit, Bek. Bye, punta ako sa iyo. Makikikanta ako.
Happy birthday, Ella. More birthdays and more blessings to come.
Happy birthday, Ate Ella. Sana wish ko sa'yo ay magkaanak ka na.
Hi Ella, happy birthday.
Sawadika, kapunaka. So yeah, I just want to say happy birthday. And I hope that you enjoy your special day and make me feel with so much love and happiness. If I were to grant one wish for you, if I'm a genie, well, I will grant you the best of health because all of us really need the best of health. That's one of the most precious thing anyone could ever have. So, yeah. See you on the floor when I see you. And I miss talking to you. I love you.
Play na yan. Ayan. Hello. Happy birthday, Carmela.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday ulit. Okay. Ano pa? Sana. Ano ba sasabihin mo?
Oo nga. Ano ako sabihin?
Happy birthday ulit. Marami pang birthday darating, anak. At marami pang blessing. Huwag kang magbabago. Laging mabait.
At syempre, hindi naman ito makukompleto kung wala yung birthday greeting ko para sa'yo. Syempre, ako yung huli. Tumakas lang ako dito sa loob ng kotse kasi nandun ko sa loob. Di ka masasurprise pagka narinig mo yung greetings ko. Pero nothing fancy. Gusto ko lang ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Alam ko, nauna na yung mga material gifts ko sa'yo. So, para sa mismong birthday mo, which is actually kahapon, today and celebration dahil mas pumasok ka pa sa work. Pinaka-wish ko lang is ma-achieve natin together lahat ng dreams natin. Alam ko paunti-unti nakukuha na natin, nakakamit na natin, but sabi nga nila malayo na pero malayo pa. But yun lang naman, I wish you the best health possible para mas mahaba-haba pa yung pagsasamahan natin. Just always remember, nandito lang ako palagi sa lahat ng mga decisions mo. Magiging kontrabido mo ako, kung hindi man minsan, baka mas madalas, but at the end of the day, whatever it is, palagi lang ako nasa side mo. Yun lang, no more long messages. Ako ata pinakamahaba so far, but I wish you a happy birthday and happy anniversary na rin, and I love you so much.